natin to, mag-sponsor sila sa iPad.
Yes.
So,
Smart.
mukhang marami
Ito
yan.
yung pinang-encounter sila.
Ano yung smart? Ganda ng pangalan.
Smart, ha?
Marami tayong question. Pakilala na natin sino, ano?
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, sino nanonood ng Transformer dito? Gusto ng passes? Wala. Oh, sige, tawagin na si Sparks. Ayan. Transformer natin ngayon. Ita-transform yung gabi natin ngayon sa technology nila. Okay, si Spark yung business development, ano? Ayan. Spark.
Sa akin na ba ito? Okay, so once again, good evening. So I'm Sparks Pagros. I'm the Business Development Manager of Spin Fusion Networks. Of course, we title this event Smart Technology Solutions for Modern Hoteliers. Okay? And our company is Spin Fusion Networks. I'd like to introduce my colleagues who are here with me this evening. To start with, I'd like to call on Sir Jeremy. He's the Corporate Accounts Manager based in Cebu. And our IT head, we have here Sir Arnold. We used to be a hotelier as well in Boracay with Monaco Suites de Boracay, okay? And we also have here Dens Carlo Francisco. Okay. So Dens, dito kasi he's the one based here in Manila. So most or majority of your cancers will be coursed through Sir Dens. And of course, again, as mentioned kanina, may kasama si Sir Richard, si Sir Allen from Vita. He's the Secretary of Boracay IT Association. Sir Allen, saan ka? Thank you, sir. Okay, so to give you a background of who we are, I'd like to show you this short video presentation. Okay, so that's who we are. We're based in Cebu, but our projects are all over the country. So, sa Boracay, sa Panglao, Palawan, even here in Manila, Baguio, in Cagayan de Oro City, so we have projects all over the country. And we specialize on hardware. Lahat ng IT products more on hardware, meron po tayo niyan. And we do not focus on one brand lang, particular brand. Okay, so for firewall, we have Sophos, we have Palo Alto, we have WatchGuard, and other na mga firewalls, UDM. Okay, same with servers, switches, access points, CCTV, name it. So, I'm sure mayroon na kayong mga pinatutunan na ngayon, but for your next project, please contact us, okay? And we will just guarantee you two things. Number one, servicing. Pangalawa, presyo. Okay, so the main goal ng kumpanya namin is everybody will be happy. Number one, happy yung kampanyang pinagtatrabuhan natin or yung mga hotels na pinagtatrabuhan natin because we give you quality service. And of course, mas makakatipid sila in terms of pricing. Okay? ITs are also will be happy again because of servicing. And of course, and Speed Fusion din. Okay? So, again, we just want everybody to be happy. So, we carry a lot of hardware products. Name it, wala kaming product particularly kini-carry. Okay, so we give you what you want kung ano yung kailangan nyo sa hospital, hospitality industry, sa mga hotels. Okay? So, but tonight, I'd like to focus on one particular technology, which is the SD-WAN. But before I proceed, I'd like to show you that I believe marami sa atin dito na encounter na ito. Diba? So, may mga network outages, may mga downtime, hindi makapagpa-reserve, hindi makapagpa-book. Okay, so pag wala yung internet connection, okay, so walang communication, walang email. Also, reduce yung employee productivity. And thirdly, no business processes will cease. And pag wala tayong access to data, may loss of sales. So, to address these concerns, we'd like to present to you SD-WAN or software-defined wide area networking. Okay? So basically, this is a transformational way to architect, deploy, and operate corporate WANs. Okay. Wala nang power. Isa. Dito na yan. Yung wireless set. Okay, thank you, sorry. Okay, so para mas ma-appreciate natin yung SD-WAN, I'd like to show you yung traditional WAN natin. So isang line lang yung gumagana dyan. If it's PLDT, it's PLDT. If it's smart, Globe lang yan, Bayantel, Western Telecom, isa lang po yan. So that's the traditional WAN, wide area network. But with SD-WAN, software-defined WAN, pwede tayong magdagdag. Ano na yung existing na ISP mo or telco, you can add one more, two more, or as many as you want that kailangan sa network natin. Okay, so before SD-WAN, ito yung nangyayari. Isang line lang po yan. It's good, wala namang problema dyan, but yung challenge is, if mayroon siyang nagkaroon ng fiber cut per se, yung isang telco, so wala tayong connectivity. So mayroon siyang single point of failure that leads to whole system failure. Whereas, and also, walang capacity to work around one problems. Okay? But with SD-WAN, instead of one, you can have 2, 3, or even multiple pa na mga links na pwede natin gamitin for your connectivity. So with this, zero touch installation sa mga branches, yung may mga branches, yung multiple branches, and yung i-highlight ko lang, 99.9% up yung network natin. Okay, so we are not a telco, but what we can only achieve this one if we work with different telcos. So our product is dependent with telcos. So we highly encourage, if you have this, for example, Globe, you get PLDT, you get Bayantel. Bayantel and Globe are the same, but yung infrastructure nila magkaiba pa rin. And you can get Eastern Telecoms or any local ISP na present sa area natin. Okay, that's the only thing that we can achieve this one. I will discuss later on, and also you can check our booth here kung paano siya ginagawa. Okay? And boosted yung broadband performance natin. Nag-combine niya. Okay, for example, you have, let's say, 5 different telco. Okay, it could be lease line, it could be DSL, it could be fiber, it could be copper lang, pwede niya i-combine. Kahit yung LTE, pwede niya i-ban. So, for example, meron tayong 5 different telco provider at 10 Mbps each, yung total throughput niya ngayon will become 50 Mbps. Speed test natin, 50 Mbps yung lalabas. And easily, mamamanage natin yan. Now, yung dalawa dyan nag-disconnect or naputol siya, meron ka pa rin 30 Mbps na tumatakbo sa network mo. Okay? That's the concept ng SD-WAN. Also, yung ma-optimize yung end user application experience or sa industry natin ngayon, it will be the guests. Okay, so I believe same here in Manila, but in Boracay, merong study na ginawa, yung mga guests daw, yung mga pumupunta doon, they would prefer to stay in a hotel or in a resort na kahit walang free breakfast, basta may free wifi. Totoo pa yan. Okay? And enhanced security and privacy, meron na dito siyang built-in na firewall. And may enhance yung network resiliency natin. Yun nga, as mentioned kanina, hindi naman lahat nagsasabay-sabay na magda-down ang telco. If mangyari yun, God forbid, mayroong malaking trahedya nangyari sa Pilipinas. Okay? And meron siyang intelligent traffic management, dynamic traffic orchestration, and broadband shaping. Okay? So, if you have technical questions about this technology SD-WAN, please visit our booth. Okay? Si Sir Arnold will be very much happy to entertain all your questions. Okay? And to top all of this, kasi baka isipin naman natin, additional cost na naman kasi from one telco, magiging dalawa, magiging tatlo, additional expenses. No, hindi po. Okay? Mayroon tayong way. In fact, if you shift shift to SD-WAN, you will enjoy as much as 85% on your monthly internet cost. Sa lahat ng deployments natin when it comes to hotel, in a matter of 6 to 8 months, yung expense na pambili natin ng device, makukuha lang natin 6 to 8 months. After that, ROI na, so you will be able, the company will be able to enjoy na 85% savings every month. Okay? So, with this technology, you can actually do more with less. Okay? So, again, marami nang try dito. Later on, papakita natin sa slides ano yung mga company gumagamit na dito. This is not only for hotels, but even banks, mga rural banks ay gumagamit ng SD-WAN. Right now, we have two. Itong CBMO, this is in Cagayan de Oro, and we also have one in Cebu. Main nila is in Cebu yung World Bank. This is a thrift bank. Gumagamit na rin ng technology. They are our clients right now. And we have many other rural banks pipeline. Okay? And MWL gumagamit na rin dito. We also have Gateway. Gateway Motors, they have 21 branches. Previously, they used to, yung ginagamit nila sa kanilang network is yung IPVPN, which we know, isang telco lang yun, and it's very expensive. Right now, gumagamit sila ng SD-WAN with SpeedFusion VPN, na-reduce ng up to 60% yung cost nila, and nag-double pa yung connectivity nila. Okay? So, schools are also using this one, USPF, in Cebu, University of Southern Philippines Foundation, gumagamit ito. And of course, hotels. Discovery Shores is one na gumagamit dito. And also, Henan Resorts, Henan Group of Resorts. Okay? Gumagamit na rin po dito sa Boracay, sa Panglao. Sales office nila in Iloilo at saka dito sa Manila. Head office in Iloilo at dito sa Manila. Okay, so basically this is SD-WAN. Ito yung concept ng SD-WAN. Two things lang naman. Number one, unbreakable internet setup natin. Okay, so meaning 99.9% up yung connection natin. And secondly, you can reduce your cost. Alam na natin yung mga may-ari yung nasa isip agad, pag may lalapit tayo sa kanila, cost na agad yan. But this time, it's totally differently. Okay, lalapit natin sa kanila, in less than a year, ROI na, succeeding years, i-enjoy mo na yung 85% savings up to 85% savings monthly. Okay, to know more about the details, visit our booth. You can approach us. Sir Jeremy, you can approach us kung paano natin gagawin yan. Okay, I don't want to get much of your time. So, here's my question now. Are you ready to make that smart shift to SD-WAN? Okay? And here's our contact information. Okay, so basically yun lang po yun. And I'd like to reiterate, we carry a lot of products. Hardware, products, IT products, name it. Okay, from CCTV, to access points, so mga servers, okay, mga routers, lahat po basta hardware, you approach us. Maybe kailangan mo lang pang-comparison lang. Mayroon na kayong dalawang supplier unit additional para pangatlo, try us. Okay, baka magbago pa yung decision. Again, we only boast of service and of course, yung presyo. Kasi there are a lot of products na direct kami sa mga manufacturing, sa mga distributors. Okay? So, thank you very much for your time. I will now give this time to the high top. Maybe you have your program, and we will be staying to entertain your questions. Thank you very much, and may God bless you.
Baka may gusto kayo tanong. Tatanong ba kayo?
Okay, so doon sa savings, sige sir, it's a good question. Okay, so normally yung kinukuha kasi ng iba is yung mga lease line. Okay, which we know from lease line to DSL, malaki yung discrepancy when it comes to pricing. Diba? So yung, I don't know in your area, but let me speak on sa Cebu, yung 10 Mbps na lease line, nasa mga $1,000 po yun. Depende sa area. Yung 10 Mbps na DSL, magkano lang? 3,500, 4,000 lang. Now, of course, pag business, ayaw natin kumuha ng DSL because we know that yung DSL is shared and nagpa-fluctuate siya. But think of this one. What if 10 DSL yung kunin natin? At 10 Mbps. It's already 100 Mbps compared to your 10 Mbps na lease line. Magkano binabayaran mo doon? 50,000. Magkano lang sa 10? Sabihin natin, 3,500 times 10. It's only 35,000. Sabihin na natin 50% lang at a given period of time yung gumagana yung diesel mo, meron ka pa rin 50 Mbps compared to your 10 Mbps. And here's another thing. Yung 10 Mbps mo na lease line, pag naputol yan, wala kang connection. Dito ka sa 10 Mbps mo na DSL from different telco, may dalawang maputol dyan, meron ka pa rin 8 tumatakbo. Unbreakable pa rin yung internet natin. So that's the power of SD1. Okay. Yes, sir.
Hindi ko lang, no? For example, meron kang 10 Mbps, so 50 yun.
Yes.
Single user ka, makukuha mo yung 50 yun.
Yes. I-spell test natin, makukuha natin yung 50
Anong
Mbps.
ID mo?
Pagdating dyan, sir, tatawagin ko na yung ID head natin. Sir, again, sir.
Sorry, So, meron ako 5 DSL, 10 each. So, pag tinatag mo, 50, tama. Pag single user ako, makukuha pa yung 50 Mbps na yun.
Single user?
Single user lang ako.
Pwede sir.
Makukuha ko yung 50 Mbps. Paano nyo makukumbine lahat ng speed nun? Anong IP address ko?
Hindi sir, yung IP address mo is isa lang. Pero yung speed mo is magiging times 5.
Times 5?
Oo. Example,
Kailangan, gusto kong makita kung paano nangyari yun. Kasi syempre, paano mo combine yung 5 telco mo sa isang speed test lang na, di ba, paano mo combine yung speed test?
So, yung nangyayari talaga inside the box na hindi namin ma-explain, but it would be best if tingnan na, alam mo kami na ISP tayo ngayon? Dalawa? Meron tayong dalawang ISP dito, mag-check natin kung ano yung speed ng isa, ano yung speed ng isa, ng dalawa, each ISP, makikita natin yung combined speed niya. So, makikita natin dito. Yes sir, may question kayo.
Actually kasi ang nagiging problema, if we were to use DSL, is yung download natin mabilis, pero yung upload natin mabagal.
Tama.
Yun yung ano. With
SD1,
Kaya
combine niya yung download, combine niya yung upload.
yung upload lang ang importante kasi ngayon, mas marami kasi ngayon gumagamit ng upload. Hindi na download.
Yes, tama po yun sir. Sa DSL, kahit 10-15 Mbps ka, 1 Mbps lang yung upload niya. Pero depende sa area, yung LTE, merong kakaibang technology sa LTE. Minsan kasi same yung download at saka upload ng LTE. Or minsan nga, mas mataas pa yung upload when it comes to mga 4G LTE connection. So pwede natin i-ban. Different ISP, different internet types, kaya niyang i-ban.
Yeah, sorry yung question ko lang, so kung binance niya, anong IP address mo yung ang kukunin niya?
Public access.
Yung public IP mo, yung sa limang yun. So, pwede mong piliin. Pero, for example, ako si Eastern, di ba? Ang binigay ko lang sa'yo, 10 MB. Sa IP na yun. Sa block na yun, 10 MB lang. Ibig sabihin, i-allow ni Eastern yun na dumaan yung buong traffic na yun na 50 MB and 10 lang yung binigay mo sa akin. Binigay lang yung sa akin 10.
So, ito yung demo units natin yung sir sa natin. So, we're using Smartman global TV. So, if you see in the status, sa real time, so, mabilis lang yung internet dito. So, makikita mo na dalawa yung na-utilize. Nagbibigay ng traffic si Smart, meron din si Globe. So, ito sa taas, ito yung combined or aggregated transfer. So, makikita mo dito na samak na yung connection nila. Pero, kung speedless mo, it's either si Smart or si Globe.
Sir, patingin po yung speed test, patingin.
Lipat siya ng IP, sir. Ito ngayon, Sky, naka-direct ako sa Cebu. Kasi I'm using VPN, so pwede ko gamitin yung internet from Cebu. So, naka-Sky. Kaso nga lang, yung speed ng LTE dito hindi maganda. Pero once maganda yung LTE signal, mas mabilis yung connection. Ito naman yung yung gamit namin sa Cebu. So bibenta kami ng internet doon using
Sir, ano pong IP mo nakuha po doon sa speed test? Sa Skygate.
kasi niroute ko siya sa Cebu using VPN. So ngayon connected tayo sa Cebu. VPN connected tayo using LTE SIM card. Kahit SIM card sa cellphone, sir. Dalawa ko to, sir. Kasi pwede ka naman gumawa ng policy mo, for example, like sa hotel may mga road server tayo. Pwede kang gumawa ng roads, for example, itong IP na to, doon mo i-direct sa VPN mo. Pwede tayo gumamit ng algorithms na enforce. So, parang naka-stick na siya doon siya dadaan tayo. So, yung algorithm na ginamit ko dito is enforce. So, yung dinaanan ko is yung VPN. Pero pag tinanggal ko to, disable ko lang. So, yung nalabas nito is Smart or Globe na.
Sige sir, ano na lang, tignan na namin for sure kung ano.
O, dadalawin na lang daw nila kayo, no? O, huwag niyo silang pagsasara ng pinto, ha?
Just before before kaibigan kay Sir Rocky yung mic, we also offer 7 days POC. So you can test the device for free, walang commitment, okay, for 7 days lang, and then from there on, you can decide if kukuha tayo o hindi. We want to make sure na hindi kayo mawawalan ng mukha sa pinagtatrabahuan natin. Okay, na pag may propose tayo, talagang tatakbo. Yun lang po, maraming salamat.